Want to share your Android screen to an iPhone on Google Meet? Let's do it in 1 minute. On your Android, open Google Meet and join the meeting the iPhone will use. Tap the three dots menu and select Present Screen from the options. A system prompt appears. Tap Start Now and grant the screen capture permission. If prompted, allow microphone or audio sharing so meeting participants can hear app audio. Now switch to the iPhone and join the same meeting link so you can view the shared screen. On the iPhone, open the presenter's thumbnail to view the shared Android screen full screen. Use pinch to zoom or rotate to focus a specific app or area if needed. If you can't see the share, check both devices are online and that Meet has permissions enabled. To stop sharing, go back to Android and tap Stop Presenting or end the call in Google Meet. Quick recap: join the same meeting. On Android, choose Present Screen, allow permissions, then View on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick tech guides and tips.